Hi there, guys. Hey, guys, tell me, would like to have more lucky in life? Would you guys would like to have more opportunity to accomplish more things in life? You know? Now, if you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about how to get more lucky in life and in business. Okay, first of all, I would like to say thank you for all of you guys that are watching this video. It just say that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about life and business. Okay, now, okay, getting more lucky in life simply means being more active, you know, which is a very awesome thing, because if you are more active, your wife will be very happy with you, because she will be able to not only rely on you, but what is very cool is that you're gonna give to your wife the opportunity to have a life of learning, a life of excitement, and a life of accomplishment, which is totally awesome. That's why being active is very awesome. Not only when you are being active, you're gonna have the opportunity to have your job, to get more done with your job, which is awesome. You're gonna have the opportunity to bend the universe according to your will in order to get the results that you want. Your opinion inside of your family or community will be of great validation. Your wife will see you as example of the family. Totally awesome. Think about it. Yeah, now, for you guys that don't know me, my name is Sebastião, but you guys can call me Sebastian. And I am a personal development and financial independence student. And I'm here to help you achieve your goals by sharing with you my ideas on the subject of personal development and financial independence. Okay, now pay attention. Okay, getting more luck. Now, getting more luck in life is simply mean being more active, which simply mean don't stand still. Successful people, they are people who are always moving forward, who are always working. They're never still. They always are working. Just like just like Ray Kroc said. Ray Kroc, the founder of McDonald's, he said, "The more you sweat, the luckier you get." You gotta understand one thing about life. Successful people are people who try the most, fail the most, learn the most, and eventually succeed the most. Unsuccessful people are people who fail less, who try less, fail less, learn less, and eventually also succeed less. That's that's the thing about life. You gotta work hard. You gotta work and you gotta work hard, but do not overwork. Because overwork lead to counterproduction, and you don't want that. Work good, work good. But another thing that you have to do is you have to work smarter. Work smarter is simply mean you gotta give mission to your actions. Your daily actions gotta have a mission. Like for example, if you try to improve your relationship, the quality of your relationship with your wife, maybe you should start considering not always getting drunk, getting drunk all the time, Gotta consider that. Maybe you gotta consider, to take control of your finances. Very important in a relationship. You gotta consider also the fact that you guys are gonna have to start to not arguing all the time. Important thing, Maybe in your finances, if you want to improve your finances, you gotta take that extra course, Maybe you gotta consider take that extra course that's gonna put you in a position that you're gonna earn the kind of income that's gonna help you and your wife and the rest of your family. Think about it. Or maybe if you want to be a great athlete, gotta take your extra push-ups, you gotta do your extra push-ups, the extra running, the extra shadow boxing. You gotta do it in order to be in a position that is gonna make you an awesome athlete, Very important thing. And remember also, life is full of opportunities and misfortunes, So, whenever you run into a misfortune, do not, give up, okay? Don't give up and don't see it as a dead end. In order, see it as a stepping stone, see it as a learning process. Learn from it, learn from your mistakes. And then when opportunity come again, and it will, because it will always come, then hit the home run, okay? That's how you're going to become lucky in life. A matter of fact, luck is just when opportunity meets preparation over and over and over and over and over again. Yeah, that's why Tiger Woods win all these golf championships all the time. Because he's constantly preparing himself, and when opportunity comes, he strike, Pay attention, Yeah. Okay, guys. If you guys want to learn more about how to make money online, then check the link below. It's going to lead you to this awesome course that I'm going to teach you how to make money online in a very effective way. Okay? And by clicking this link, you're going to have also the opportunity to receive a free ebook that's going to teach you, that's going to help you how to deal with financial challenges of life and in business. Okay? I'll see you in the next video, buddy. Ciao.